I joined Multimedia Design because, based on the description, it would help me a lot to have a variety of different things because I plan to be a video game designer. My name is Grace Stedkey. I go by Ed, and I do multimedia design. We do photography, graphic design, we do video editing, we work on social media some. There's a lot of other things, but I can't remember them. I'm currently working on my BPA project, which is going to be a poster, a pin, and a logo, and it will be entered into a competition in the second semester. I am currently doing it in the Illustrator software, and I might be working in Photoshop later, but for right now, we're just using Illustrator. I absolutely love multimedia design. It's a lot of fun. I really like the people in it. The teacher is amazing, and we're encouraged to talk to our friends and work together. We do lots of different things, so you don't really get bored. It's just a lot of fun. After the class is over, we'll be certified in Illustrator and Photoshop.